Hello everyone, this is Usha and welcome to my channel The Dreamy Panda. In today's video, I am going to talk about how to choose a book before you read it or buy it. So let's get started. Choosing the right book is very important because if you don't, you might end up losing some of your precious time. The reason for reading a book is one of the major contributors to the selection of the book. There can be many reasons to read a book. For example, you can read it as a hobby or you can read it for inspiration. Books like biographies or autobiographies can be read for inspiration. Books like history, biology or other magazines of general knowledge can be simply read for knowledge. And you can also read a book for your academic purpose. For example, if you want to do an assignment or a research, you might have to read a book to obtain a summary out of it. So there are many reasons to read a book, but the reason, whatever it is important that you consider a few factors before picking up a book. Before watching a movie, you consider several factors like the director of the movie, the actors in the movie, the storyline or the genre. You can actually watch a teaser or a trailer to get a glimpse of what the movie is about. In the same way, there are a similar set of parameters that can be considered to choose a book, and the first of them is the author. The writer of the book is the captain of the book ship. He is the one who crafts the plot, designs the characters and writes the story in such a way that appeals to the reader. So the author is one of the main reasons to pick a book. If you have an author who is of your style or if you have enjoyed his previous works, it is always a good idea to choose a book written by him or her. For example, J.K. Rowling is one of my favorite authors, so if there is a book written by her, I would definitely pick it up without a second thought. The next important factor to be considered while choosing a book is its genre. The subject or the genre of the book helps in filtering out books that are not of your interest, and it also makes it easy to pick books that can really interest you. If you pick a book that does not suit you, you'll never be able to complete it. For example, if you're a person who is scared of horror stories and if you pick a book which is full of ghost stories, you'll never be able to complete it. So checking the genre before choosing a book is always important. Another simple way to decide on a book is by checking its reviews. There are public forums like Goodreads or Quora and e-commerce sites like Amazon, Flipkart, etc. where you can check the reviews of any book you want to get. Checking the highest and the least rated reviews is important because it gives a clear picture of the book. Thus, checking the reviews helps you in saving both your time and money. Recommendations are another great way to choose your books. If you have a friend or a reader in your community who has the same taste as yours, you can always take suggestions from them. As both of you share the similar interests, this will generally end up being a good choice. Alternatively, you can also use the Google to search for recommendations. You can search something like the best crime novels or best fantasy novels, or you can simply search something like the best books written by American authors, etc. Google has many websites that give you a curated list of books suggested, and you can pick any one out of them and read it. There can also be a situation where you have to decide a book on spot. For example, you have been to a bookstore and you want to buy a book for yourself, or you want to buy a book to gift it to a friend. In such case, you can always read the summary behind the book and decide whether to get the book or not. Additionally, you can also read the table of contents to see what the story can be about. And you can also read a paragraph or two from anywhere in the middle of the book to understand the writing of the author. Thus, you can choose a book on spot and get it. So these are the techniques I generally use to choose a book. If there are any other tips you want to add to this list of mine, please mention them in the comment section below. Please like, share and comment on the video, and please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon below to be notified when a new video is uploaded. Please stay home and stay safe.